Hello. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't feel good, boys and girls. I'm exhausted, but I surely don't want this sausage right now. But I'm gonna eat it because I'm trying to get outside. Oh. This is what I'm making. I'm going to drink some peppermint tea so that this doesn't hurt my stomach. But I'm kind of getting tired of sausage. And boys and girls, let me tell you something. If you could see, let me show you. It would be only right. Let me see. Hope this video don't cut out. Okay. I'm working on something this morning, and I'm trying, but oh my goodness, my stuff fell into the freezer. Okay, I don't know if you can see in there, but all of this sausage, I can't eat it. I cannot eat it. Beef is sickening my stomach due to this this stuff I'm dealing with health-wise. And I just remembered I have a freaking appointment today. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to make the turkey sausage. I'm drinking some peppermint tea, and I'm going to see if my stomach is okay. If my stomach is okay, I'm going to take out the turkey sausage and keep it for myself. And the beef sausage is leaving because I can't give everything. I barely have anything. My refrigerator is almost empty now. My stomach hurt me so bad, and I tried to eat some of those foods again and again and again, just give myself a task. No. Hell no. Can't do it. Some people are able to eat turkey, some people are able to eat corn and that type of thing, so I'm just going to give it a try this morning. But what I have been doing is eating and drinking my peppermint tea at the same time, and it's helping me. So, and now I'm sitting here like I wanted to go get two things of peppermint tea with the $10 I have in my bag, but I don't know what I'm going to be able to do because I want to do other things, you know what I'm saying? And being that I had gastric bypass in 1990, my stomach just gets to the point where I can't eat a few things. But I got a phone call yesterday from a friend of mine, and she told me that her mother, who had gastric bypass a number of years ago, is also suffering the same thing that I'm suffering. But I don't know if I would never say it's because of that, but I do know that I have went through a lot of changes when it comes to eating ever since that time. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. amazing that sometimes you can be single, live alone, all that good stuff, and that's your plate? Amen. Yep. Now, one thing that I cannot possibly get away from is ketchup. But ketchup is hurting my system. So I'm going to mix this baby up. Take another sip of my tea. Because I'm having some ketchup. Yeah, how you like those apples, boys and girls? I'm having some apples. But I'm going to tell you something that has nothing to do with this food that I'm trying to cool down real quick. A couple days I've been having this issue where I can hear little mice in the wall trying to get in my apartment. Now, I went to the store and I got some cloves and I put it all around everywhere. And I hear absolutely nothing for the last few days. Now, ChatGPT says put down the cloves and change it like every couple weeks, like 4 to 6 weeks. Boys and girls, I'm going to start on the 1st of the month and put down cloves. And the 1st of the next month, I'm going to put down cloves. But I can say I am so thankful that I got it. Now, I did end up getting 2 of them, and it did say you only need about 4, of them around, but I wanted to make sure I was good, so I don't know, but if you have an issue, pick up some cloves. Now, boys and girls, can y'all see my forehead that is wet? This sweating is getting on my nerves, but this sausage is saying hello. Hot sauce and ketchup make magic together. Hot. Oh. Oh my goodness, boys and girls. When I tell you every window in here is open. Every window in here is open. And what they do to us in here with this heat, I refuse to complain, but goodness gracious, give me a break. Give me a freaking break. Oh. I know a million people that wish they had this heat right now, so I refuse to get ungrateful. But give me a break. Just 10 degrees lower, please. I think it's like 8 degrees in here. Okay. I think I'm going to be able to eat it. Yes, I am. Not all of it, of course. Oh my goodness. Yesterday, I had to use my dishwasher. Yes, I did. And now today, I have to make me some ice water, baby. I have to make me some ice water. Oh, freak. Oh. And I'm taking this ice water with me outside. I don't care what the temperature is, boys and girls. Mama needs some ice water. It's hot. I'm actually waiting for someone to come home. And I don't know what use. She has to go to dialysis this morning. And I have to drop off something. And it's heavy. And I don't think I have enough. I don't think I have enough energy to make it. Because, like me, she lives on the 12th floor. Now, let me show you what I'm drinking, boys and girls. Let me show you. Ooh, this is delicious. I got one left. I don't know where I bought this from Dollar General. I was hoping I had more before it ran out. I have more garlic growing, more of my cilantro. My mouth is bleeding. Sorry. My mouth is bleeding. I have to make an appointment with my dentist. Oh! I stepped in a piece of ice. You know when ice drop it and melt? When I got my partials done, and then after I had my stroke, something's wrong with my mouth. I'm sure somebody has noticed it, that sometimes it's leaning to the side. But say I'm not recording and I'm just sitting down and I'm doing nothing, my mouth just constantly moves. It just constantly moves. So in order to get a break from it, sometimes I have to record to be talking. But if I'm not, you hear this sound because my mouth is like it's constantly moving. So I noticed that my up in my roof of my mouth, there's where my front teeth is, there's some skin that's not attached the way it's supposed to be. It's lifted, and I believe it's because my mouth is constantly moving. Sometimes my daughter will say, "Mommy, you can't hear that," and I'm like, "Is it my mouth you're talking about?" And sometimes it drives her crazy, but sometimes it drives me crazy too, to where I have to stop and pause because I notice it so much. It's just, but I can't do anything about it. But I've seen people around me that notice that my mouth is always moving, and it makes this sound that after a while it gets uncomfortable to hear. Even for myself, if I'm sitting in my car sometimes and I notice that my mouth is moving, but I can't do anything about it. I am thankful that after having a stroke that I look the way I look. So there goes that. You got to find the blessings in something, honey. You cannot be looking at all the bad stuff. Sometimes you have to look at the bad stuff that turned into the good stuff. There goes that. Mm. Mm. The sausage is really good. But I'm going to head outside. Mm. 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 I needed to eat. Desperately needed to eat. Mm. I've been knocking out so hard and so tired to cook. You see what I just cooked? I cannot function to make the meals that I used to make. But I have some pasta in the refrigerator I would normally not eat. I'm gonna have to eat that bad boy up today, whether it give me all the stomach messes up or whatever. But I have to eat it. Mm. Yes, it's staying right there. Now I'm gonna get as many of these tote bags in the driver's side of my car as possible. Take a ride around the corner and see if I can find Miss Pam, because I couldn't get her this morning, but I absolutely cannot get these bins in my car with what is in my car. And this lady that's at dialysis, when she come back, in order for me to empty my trunk, I don't know if she has enough energy. She's like maybe 79, so I need help. I'm not feeling too well. Mm. I don't know how I don't know how long those sessions take. But I know she's been there since 6 a.m. and it's 12 a.m. right now. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. Sorry I grossed you out. Have a good day.